Hey folks, today we're here at SkipperBud's, Quarterdeck Marina in Sturgeon Bay, looking at a 1993 Bayliner 2452 Classic. Basically a sport fish model that was bought brand new from the single owner and has kept it here in the marina every year since it was purchased. Nice look at the back of the boat here. All the cushions come out if you want to take them out, so you can get at the back space for easy landing of fish. All the downriggers, electric downriggers that you see are included. There's also removable rod holders that go into the rails. At the helm you have multiple fish locators, a depth rater, so you have speed and temp at the ball, and there's also autopilot. Also included with the boat is all of the tackle. A ton of stuff in here, spoons, flies, dodgers, planer boards, anything you need to hit the Great Lakes to do a little salmon fishing. Take a look at the cabin down below. It's a really good size. There's a V-berth up front. The dinette here on starboard side folds down for additional sleeping. You could sleep up to 4 people, no problem. Numerous rods, about 12, 13 rods and reels here hanging. All comes with the boat. So a lot of nice lighting down here in the cabin. You can remove all the curtains, let in plenty of light, or snap them back up for some privacy. Sink, stove, which is barely ever used, icebox, and here we have a head with a brand new toilet installed this year, plenty of space. And down below we have some nice storage here. Again, everything on the boat that you see comes with the purchase. A bunch of extra line and fishing equipment. More storage down below here with planer boards, downrigger weights, more tackle, and then also here extra reels, line, lures, tackle. Again, all comes with the rig. Ready to fish? If you're interested, give us a call, 920-746-8200. Give us a call to set up a showing.